we find some verses in the Quran which address Allah's existence. Does he really exist? Basically dealing with some people who held that he didn't. But if you look at the verses which talk about Allah's unity, you put them in one category, and the verses which talk about Allah's existence, it's like night and day. Those talking about Allah's existence are few, just a handful of verses, whereas those talking about Allah's unity are many. In other words, most verses which talk about Allah talk about his unity rather than his existence, meaning assuming that you already believe in him, correcting your view, basically correcting your view. Why? Because that is the nature of human society. The vast majority of human beings on the face of the earth have always believed in God. It's always been a minority among them that believed there was no God. Even during the communist era in Russia and in China, where both societies became societies promoting disbelief in God, the majority of people still believed in God, but they just hid it because you couldn't move ahead, you couldn't get hope for any future if you express belief in God. It means you're backward, you're primitive in your thinking, you're not worthy of advancement, to get higher positions, etc., if you are not a true communist.
Love.